things that I found fascinating in the report was just the metrics that were associated with the cost of unproductive meetings. So can you share what the cost of unproductive meetings is?
So for the average size company, it is $10 million.
Wow, okay.
So an incredibly large saving that's on the table for people just starting to act a little bit more inclusively or bringing more generational diversity around the table. To give you kind of the macroeconomic perspective, 35% of meetings are unproductive, and we can reduce that to 15% if we start utilising some of the behaviours that we have been speaking about. And just by doing that, we can save unproductive meetings $136 billion in the US alone.
Wow, okay,
Yeah.
That is mind-blowing. That is absolutely mind-blowing. And that's something that I think a number of organisations are going to be excited about, because it's a very tangible thing and something that I suspect will motivate them to increase the diversity of their meetings as well.